This is a cicada killer wasp headed into her hole with this big cicada. Scary things. They're scary. Let's see how long it takes for her to come out. Apparently, the males have no stingers, and the females only sting the cicada. Lay their larvae in it. And look, I'll take in a tour. See these mounds? That's what they do. They dig big holes all over the yard and lay their young in there. I have the whole front yard is mounds. She's now in this one, still not coming out yet. Let's see how long it takes. Gotta check out the size of these things. That's just nuts. Oh, here she comes. There she comes. Look at her. Look at her. Okay.